In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the euro symbol in Google Docs efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're working on a financial report, composing an international newsletter, or simply preparing a document that requires the use of currency symbols, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can include the euro symbol with ease. First, let's head over to your web browser. Open it up, and in the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit enter. You'll see Google Docs appear in the search results. Click on the link to access the main page. If you haven't bookmarked Google Docs yet, doing so can save you time in the future. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account credentials. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your email and password and you'll be ready to go. If you happen to forget your password, there are options to recover your account, so no worries there. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your recent documents or a blank document if you haven't created any yet. Select the document that you need to work on, or if you're starting fresh, go ahead and open a new one. It's also beneficial to have all your project details or data gathered beforehand to ensure a smooth editing process. Now that you're in your document, decide precisely where you want to place the euro symbol. Place your cursor at that location in your text. Proper placement is crucial for maintaining the flow and clarity of your document, especially when dealing with multiple figures or currency symbols. Next, direct your attention to the top of the window and click on Insert, which you'll find in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Special Characters. This option is your gateway to a vast array of symbols and characters, from mathematical symbols to foreign languages. You'll see a Special Characters dialog box appear on your screen. To make things easy, there's a search bar. Simply type in Euro. Doing this narrows down the choices, bringing the euro symbol directly into focus. This is an excellent shortcut, ensuring you don't waste time scrolling through endless lists of characters. Once you see the euro symbol, click on it. This action will append the symbol exactly where your cursor was placed in the document, ready for whatever purpose you need it for. And that's it. You've successfully inserted the euro symbol in your document in just a few straightforward steps. Remember, Google Docs is an incredibly versatile tool, and by familiarizing yourself with its features, you can significantly enhance your productivity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.